Now let's take a look at the JSE. It closed down today after a strong week. Do you think it's just money coming off the table?
Well, I was actually happy to see us consolidate a bit today. We've had a fantastic run over the last four trading sessions, the first four trading sessions of this week. So also running into a bit of resistance on, if you look at the JSE Aussie futures as a proxy, about 23,200, 23,300 seems to be a bit of a level. Guys looking to sell from there, yeah, so not surprised at all.
So yesterday we were looking at the market. It ended on a positive note. It looked like it could be ending edging towards 26,000. Retracing today though, what are your expectations for the JSE All share in terms of levels?
Well, once again, I mean, we mainly focus on the futures from a trading perspective. So I think at the moment there seems to be quite a decent trading range between 21,800 and 23,450, 23,500, give or take a couple of points. So personally, I'd like to see us consolidate for a couple more trading sessions, and then I think we're going to break this 23,500 level and extend to about 25,000 on the futures. Yeah.
Now it's interesting to note we've got some stats here. It's a notable anniversary on Wall Street today. It's 2 years since October the 9th, 2007. Both the Dow and S&P 500 both finished at their all-time closing highs. Is there some positive sentiment that's seeping into the market now? In the US, we've got the Dow Jones sitting up, or is it just another stat?
I think it's just another stat. I mean, personally, I'm always telling people that it doesn't matter what day of the week is, what month of the year it is. If it's a buy, it's a buy. If it's a sell, it's a sell. So, maybe, some guys, the retail investors will be buying into that story, but personally, I don't buy into that, no, yeah.
Let's look at the local market. Which stocks have taken you by surprise this week?
Dimension data caught us by surprise. I mean, from technical perspective, as soon as we broke 8 Rand, it's jumped about 17% over the last couple of sessions. So that really caught us by surprise. Where we go from here, I think it can probably test 9 Rand level. If we see us running to a bit of resistance over there, I'd definitely say you can maybe take a decent short position on Dimension data. Yeah.
Now there's some news out of SAB Miller today. It ended the day though down 0.5% at 187 Rand 56 cents a share. Now just if we could talk about your outlook for that share price, the indication is that they're a front runner to buy Mexico's number 2 brewery. So this is some positive news there, but the market trading down today.
Yeah, I think SAB was just following the broader market down. I like the fact that they're looking to expand, building for the next expansion phase of the global economy. Mexico, you definitely want to get into that market. They seem to be, one of the next best things as well. So yeah, I like SAB from about 180. If you can start picking up a couple of shares on there, I think it'd be a very decent buying opportunity.
Let's look at all the gold counters. Obviously, we've had the gold price rallying this week. It hit a high of $1,060, but we've got rand strength. From an investment point of view, how do you play the gold stocks? Do you buy them given the fact that the rand is still really strong?
Yeah, very, very much a catch-22 situation. I mean, gold seems to rally and then the rand moves in the opposite direction. So when you're looking at the rand price of gold, the gold miner is not really getting the full benefit of this all-time high gold price that we're seeing at the moment. But I still personally believe that the gold shares will follow this gold price higher. I mean, it would be silly not to. So, I mean, when you're looking at the different gold counters, the likes of Harmony, I'd still be looking to pick them up on a decent pullback at about the 83 level. Anglo Gold Ashanti looks to be very good at about 315 Rand. Goldfields 105 Rand. So I definitely think that we'll see some consolidation somewhere along the line here, like we did today, after reaching a new all-time high once again last night. Sometime next week, I think we'll get those buying opportunities in the market.